Hey travelers, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about international science and technology as a career field. If you're interested in both STEM and international affairs, this video is for you. Travelers, you want to stick to the very end because we're going to be covering a lot in this video. We're going to be covering skills needed, education requirements, how much money you can make, among many other topics. Travelers, let's get into today's video. Why pursue a career in international science and technology? Well, you'll be able to make a difference in the world's most important political, social, economic, and health issues by using and advocating for cutting-edge science and technology. If you're interested in STEM and international affairs, this career can be for you. What is the education required if you want to go into a career in international science and technology? Well, you have to have some working knowledge of space, defense, biotechnology, cybersecurity, the environment. Also, it may be wise to have an advanced technical degree, such as you have a bachelor's, a master's, or a doctoral degree in areas such as physics, chemistry, engineering, or biology. Also, it is important to know the challenges and issues in the specific area that you want to specialize in, as well as the policies implemented. What are skills needed for those interested in international science and technology? Well, it's good to have policy knowledge and be aware of challenges facing your field. It's also good to have quantitative and analytical skills, cross-cultural and written and oral communication skills, teamwork skills because you'll probably be working in teams. Since this is a hybrid field, it's good to have a knowledge of international affairs and other disciplines such as economics and political science. Because this is a science and technology-based field, you want to have strong knowledge of hard science such as biology, chemistry, physics, or technology. All in all, there are many different factors that lead to job satisfaction within the international science and technology community. These factors can include management, your job, your role, and the company. As far as the job satisfaction for those in the science community, I went to Glassdoor.com to see what employees were saying. I went to the top companies, and what I found were general comments, the pros and the cons. For pros, many people said their job was highly rewarding, they had interesting work, they had a work-life balance, they worked in an amazing place with a lot of opportunities, and they were with world-class research facilities. As far as cons go, sometimes the workload could be high, it's stressful, or there's bureaucracy. What is the job satisfaction like for those that are in international science and technology? Well, according to an article published in Forbes, there was a survey conducted for those that are in the tech industry. And according to 71% of tech professionals, they said that they had a solid work-life balance. Now, this can be attributed to many different factors, including family leave, flexible work arrangements like telework, being able to be creative on the job, and high salaries. How much money can you expect to make if you go into international science and technology? Well, it depends on a number of different factors, including how many years of experience you have, your job position, what company you work for, and so forth. To give you a ballpark idea of what you can expect in this career field, I gathered a few jobs and their corresponding salaries. What I found was for a science policy professional, you can make about $92,000. A senior project lead for international research, data, and technology security, you can make anywhere from $70,000 to $105,000. And for policy and advocacy director for science and technology, you can make six figures, anywhere from $115,000 to $130,000. What is the future of international science and technology? Science and technology will help us solve some of the world's biggest issues, including the environment, the economy, food insecurity, health disparities, just to name a few. Also, new technologies will start to emerge and they will have both positive and negative effects in the realm of international affairs. These technologies can include artificial intelligence, robotics, and cybersecurity. We need change agents who are committed to both science and technology and international affairs. Science and technology infiltrate every aspect of our lives. And while there are positive advancements as it relates to science and technology, there are also drawbacks. There is a growing need for STEM professionals that can weigh in on matters related to science and technology as it relates to international affairs. This growing career examines the links between government actions globally, scientific progress, and technological advancements. Professionals in the private sector, NGOs, academia, and the government study these connections to address challenges related to the economy, public health, and social issues using science and technology as problem-solving tools. All right, travelers, well, that concludes today's video. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know future video ideas that you would like to see here on Hey Miss Traveler. If you haven't already, check out my free e-course. The link is in the description box below. It covers all things careers in international affairs and how to travel boldly with confidence. Travelers, if you haven't already, be sure to smash the like button and smash that subscribe button for more content like this. And until next time, let's travel with our dreams together. See you later. Bye-bye.